One fact about this video, this is my second time filming this video. This is my second time. The first time that I filmed it, you know, I was looking bomb just as I am looking bomb right now. But y'all, my lashes, don't forget to subscribe. Also make sure to share this video on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. Just make sure you share it everywhere. And I'll see you guys next time. I just couldn't do that to you guys, you know. And you guys know I don't know how to do makeup, but I am trying to do makeup here and there. But yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, like literally, it was a waste of my time because I could have actually uploaded that video, but due to the fact that my lashes was like, literally, I'm gonna attach something up here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But we're not ratchet over here. We keep it classy. So I decided not to, you know, I decided to refilm it. But yeah, today's a new day, and as you guys can see, I am low-key giving like 90 vibes right now. Like this whole fit is giving me like 90 vibes. My eyeshadow, my outfit, I'm wearing all black. Like, come on now. This is some bad girl shit. I feel so bad. Like, I just feel like I'm gonna do something bad today. Like, I don't know. I don't know why I just thought about going to my ex-boyfriend's house and just like smashing his window or something. That's how this outfit makes me feel, but we're not gonna do that. We do not do that. Don't do it, guys. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Favour. What do you do? And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my knotless braids. Yes, I did do a tutorial on this, so if you haven't seen the video, make sure to check it out. I'm going to leave it in the comment section, description box, and I'm also going to leave it somewhere up here and towards the end of this video, so make sure to check that out. So today we're just going to be styling this hair. I'm going to be showing you guys how to style it, and some of them you're gonna love, some of them you're gonna hate. Okay. But either way, let's hop right into this video. But before we do that, have you subscribed to my channel? Have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and also click the bell button so you're notified every single time that I upload a video. And also, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. And also, let me know what your favorite style is in the comment section, you know. Let me know what your favorite style is. Like, let me know what your favorite style is. Do you guys want to know something funny about making buns? It's like I could wake up early in the morning and I could go like, oh, let me just throw my hair in a, let me just throw my braids in a random bun and that shit would look perfect. But look at me now. I can't even get the, it's okay though. We're just gonna make this work. I'm pretty sure everyone can relate to what I'm saying because no, you could be like, oh, I'm gonna go shower, then put my hair in a bun real quick, and that shit will be perfect. But then you're like, oh yeah, I'm about to go to class, or I'm about to go to work, or I'm about to go visit my friend, and then guess what? Your bun is gonna be messy. It's gonna be just ugly as fuck. Let me see. I'm gonna try to redo this. This is also giving me like church vibes and also just church vibes, or I'm about to run to the store really quickly, or I'm having a bad hair day, my braids are getting older kind of vibes. Y'all, this is literally giving me like church vibes, but you know, church vibes. And then yeah, this is absolutely giving me church vibes. This is also giving me church vibes, and also I'm running late to class and I gotta go. I'm just gonna throw a scarf on, you know. This is definitely one of my favorite ones, to be honest. I love styles like this, you know. Also guys, let me know what your favorite style is in the comment section. Like, go ahead and comment right now. If you have a favorite already, let me know what your favorite style is. But yeah, this is definitely one of my top 5. Who are you? Who are we? We are you, me, all my subscribers. We're just that bitch, like, period. Can't nobody fuck with us. Can't nobody fuck with us. Let me stop. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't allow me to send tongue out to you. It's like, no, just kidding. Let me know how you feel about this hair in the comment section. Let me know if you have any questions, concerns, or suggestions, and I'll be happy to answer all of them. But yeah, guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. By the way, guys, I upload videos every Sunday at 6 p.m. So, you know, every Sunday at 6, just grab your laptop or your phone and just wait for your girls to upload. And I'm not playing this time. I'm back for good. I need to say that with an attitude. I'm back for good. I can do better than that. All right, how about sexy? Sunday is